Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to work on math and we're still going to work on T numbers. And we are still going to work on what we were working on yesterday. We were going to talk a little bit more about the number 11 and number 12, talk about how we make them and what they look like, and go into a little bit more in-depth information. And I'm going to show you the activity that you guys are going to get a chance to do. All right, so yesterday we talked about how we've been talking about numbers, and we've already done 1 through 10, and we counted. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when we go through those numbers, all of these are single digit numbers. That means there's just one number until you get to 10. So, and that's kind of our pattern when we count. We always have those numbers in there. 0 is not here. If 0 is here, that is also a single digit number. So a single digit number means it's only one number, and that's where the word ones come in. So if I wanted to show you 1, there's 1. If I wanted to show you 2, all the way up to 9. So when I get to 9, we get 9 cubed. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would write the number 9 here. But then, as soon as I add my next cube, that gives me a 10, but I can't put a 10 here in the 1 spot because you only want one number. So that's when you take all of these and you'd move them over here, and you would probably put them in a nice orderly fashion. Sorry, I'm really dropsy today. I would put all of them in there, and I would have 1 10 and 0 ones. So we have one group of 10 and 0 ones. So if I know that I have one group of 10, I already know that there are 10 of them there. So like I said, yesterday when we talked about 11, you would have one group of 10 and one group of ones, and that would equal 11. So you would look at 11. So we'll come over here. So you're taking this, which is a group of 10. So we take this, which is a group of 10, put it here. You would take this 1, which is a group of 1, and put it here. So then I would have this group of 10 plus this one, and my answer would be 11. So you would take the first one and the second one and put them together, and you would get 11. And that's how we put 11 together. Now, to show 11, you could draw 11 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then one more, which would be 11, which I did for hearts. Now I'm going to pull you up a little bit closer so you can see our 10 frames. And to do a 10 frames, we would color them in. And I know we remember doing 10 frames when we did the numbers 1 through 10. With a 10 frame, you do the same thing. So you color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 of them in that 10 frames, but I have another 10 frame. So I just do the first one. Now let's see if I can get rid of that glare for you so you can see that. Maybe I have to bring it up. So you start here, and you start all the way at the top and all the way over to the left side, and you go, and then you work your way over and fill up the top row, come down, fill up the next row, then come down and fill up the next one. You do it that way so that you're doing it in order. All right, so we just showed you 11, and that's how we can put it away. There are different ways to show 11 as well. We're just going to do 10 plus one more, because I want to show you that we have one group of 10s and how many ones. So I'll erase everything real quick. And then I'll put everything back where it belongs. And we're also going to do the number 12. All right, so for number 12, we're going to take one group of tens. One group of tens, remember, we always start with one group of tens because when we get to the teen numbers, we always have one group of tens. And if you're listening to our song, all teen numbers have a group of 10 and some more. So for 12, we have a group of 10 and 1, 2 more. So we have one group of 10 and 2 ones for 12. We come over here and we can do the same thing for addition. We take a group of 10. We take 2 ones. There's our group of 10 and our 2 ones. And we take 10 and we count 11, 12. And we get 12, which is a 1 and a 2. And again, like I said yesterday, 11 and 12 are still teen numbers. Now to fill out our 10 frames, oh, I know what I forgot. Forgot to draw something. So I'll draw stars. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's my 12 stars. It's also another way to show 12. 10 frames, we start at the top on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill up the top 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is my one group of tens. And go 1, 2, 4, 12. And that is my group of 12. Now, here's what you are going to be doing today on your math activity. You are going to get a sheet like this that says my teen number is. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to pull you over here. So when you write this today, you're going to write you're going to have 2 to do. You're going to do 11 and 12. So you're going to write 11. And then it says build it. Build it is using the blocks that I just did here. So if I want to build 11, I know that I need at least 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then I need 2 more, 11, 12. I built 12. How many tens? One group of tens. How many one? Oops, I'm sorry, I'm doing 11. My bad. So I erased one. So I have 10 plus 1 more is 11. So I have a group of tens and 1, 1. That makes my 11. It says color it. Now I want to color 11 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make sure you count when you color and don't do too many. Draw it. That means that's your 10 frames. So you start up here at the top and color in. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This says write it. That means in each block, you are going to try to write the number 11 or use the text box and type in 1, 1 in each one. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Then you're going to build it for your math. You're going to do the same thing for number 12. You'll get two slides, so make sure you go through 2 slides. So then you'll do the second one. I'm just going to flip it over, give you the blank one. Then instead of 11, you're going to do 12 up here. So you'll have to do it for the number 11 and the number 12. So each day, I'm going to try to do each teen number for 2 days. Day 1, 11 and 12. Day 2, 11 and 12. Day 3, 13 and 14. Day 4, 13 and 14, because you'll have extra sheets to do. So here's today's activity. I hope you enjoy. I hope you get practice writing your numbers. Remember when you're writing that number 2 that you're writing it the correct way and it doesn't go backwards, okay? I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.